1981 Fleetwood Brougham sedan, without question the most sophisticated and technically advanced Fleetwood ever built. With specifically tuned ride and handling unlike any other Cadillac, designed to give years of motoring pleasure in the Cadillac tradition. The 1981 Brougham's elegantly styled look is refined even further. But the biggest advances center around Cadillac's commitment to efficiency engineering. Fleetwood Brougham's power plant with digital fuel injection, electronic spark timing, and high-energy ignition underlines Cadillac's commitment to fuel-efficient driving finesse. The engine is exciting. The exclusive new V864 fuel-injected engine offers fuel efficiency gains as significant as any in Cadillac's long history. This engine employs a computer which controls the number of cylinders used. For instance, when entering a freeway ramp, all 8 cylinders fire for smooth, powerful acceleration. But then, once you have reached cruising speed, this engine allows your Fleetwood Brougham to run on 6 or even 4 cylinders. The computer selecting the number of cylinders needed to maintain that speed. And with optional electronic cruise control, you can easily and accurately set your cruising speed. The effectiveness of the V864 fuel-injected engine can best be seen with the new standard MPG Sentinel on the Fleetwood Brougham's instrument panel. The driver can see the number of cylinders in use as he drives. Or it allows him to determine instantaneously the miles per gallon being currently delivered, or the average miles per gallon for a trip, or even the number of miles to empty, based upon the average miles per gallon figure and the amount of fuel remaining in the tank. Take a Brougham test drive and see for yourself how this system actually works. In addition to the remarkable V864 fuel-injected engine, other available power plants include the popular 5.7-liter diesel V8 and the 4.1-liter V6 with computer command control and a 4-speed overdrive transmission. Ask your sales representative for details. There's also a new door trim design that graces the Fleetwood Brougham's interior with embroidered Fleetwood script sewn into each door trim panel. And for 1981, electronic climate control is standard on the Brougham, allowing the driver to punch in the desired temperature setting to the specific degree. This electronic climate control panel also enables your Cadillac service technicians to operate the onboard diagnostic computer to facilitate servicing Cadillacs with digital fuel injection. For instance, when the check engine lamp lights on the Brougham instrument panel, your Cadillac service technician, through the onboard diagnostic system, can more easily diagnose the problem than ever before. This onboard diagnostic computer system has expanded capability and is used for the first time on the Brougham. The standard AM/FM stereo radio with the electronically tuned receiver reinforces Brougham's character. But there are 4 other radio combinations for an additional degree of choice. All Fleetwood Broughams are designed with long life in mind. A variety of extensive steps are taken in its construction to help fight corrosion. Ask your sales representative for details on Cadillac's anti-corrosion construction. Over 100 different areas of the car are specifically included. And for those people who demand the singular comfort and exclusivity of Cadillac's Fleetwood series, but with a sporty flair, the 1981 Fleetwood Brougham Coupe should provide plenty of excitement. The Brougham Coupe puts the traditional Fleetwood touches of the sedan in a sleek 2-door body style. The most distinctive feature of the Brougham Coupe is the flush glass appearance of the reduced size quarter window and the cabriolet vinyl roof that extends forward to the lock pillar. The 1981 Brougham Coupe is a truly elegant addition to the Fleetwood line, retaining all the grace, charm, and personal statement for which Fleetwood has always been known. Of course, for those who want the ultimate Brougham, the available d'Elegance package provides even further distinction in exterior and interior trim. Yes, the 1981 Fleetwood Bromes, sedans and coupes, offer a great deal to those looking for operating efficiency with comfort. And by selecting one of Cadillac's 1981 Bromes, a buyer will be able to find out what virtuosity really means in the 1980s. Just as drivers have been finding out for the past 79 years, Cadillac is the essence of fine automobiles. The 1981 Cadillac Deville continues to refine the tradition of one of America's favorite fine cars. With dramatic new engineering advancements designed for impressive operating efficiency without sacrificing any of Deville's character. And that character is enhanced for 1981. New Deville seat trim is pillow-like with a heather knit cloth material used. Of course, leather trim in the seating areas is available in 10 different colors. The door trim design is also new, with a new molded pull handle, providing improved elbow room on the armrests. For 1981, Deville features electronic climate control. This system allows the driver to set a desired temperature to the exact degree. Yet it also serves another positive purpose. On Devilles equipped with the V864 engine, the electronic climate control's microprocessor is also used to communicate with an onboard diagnostic computer system, available for the first time on Deville. Let's say the check engine lamp lights on the Deville instrument panel. At your Cadillac dealers, the service technician can quickly and easily pinpoint the cause and diagnose the problem by using the electronic climate control panel to activate the onboard diagnostic computer. This facilitates servicing your Deville by greatly reducing the time necessary to isolate problems. Other standard appointments on Deville include an AM/FM stereo radio with an electronically tuned receiver. There are 4 other radio selections available. With Deville, you always have the benefit of choice. Of course, Deville retains all of the traditional Cadillac values of generous interior room and large trunk capacity. In everyday driving, this can come in handy. The 1981 Deville has an extensive list of anti-corrosion steps used in its construction. A small indication of these steps is the Plastisol paint application to Deville's lower fenders and rocker panels. There are over 100 specific areas that receive Cadillac's various anti-corrosion measures. But the major story for Deville in 1981 centers on engineering advancements. Cadillac breaks new ground in this area, reaffirming its position as America's premier fine car builder. The new digital fuel-injected engine has electronic spark timing and high-energy ignition, together with an exclusive new electronic cylinder selection engine firing system, the V864. This engine utilizes a computer to automatically control the number of cylinders used. For instance, in driving situations that require it, all 8 cylinders fire for smooth acceleration. But in other instances, when you need only to maintain a cruising speed, Deville's new engine computer selects 6 or 4 cylinders, depending on your driving needs and the prevailing conditions. You can actually see the number of cylinders in operation, or the miles per gallon being indicated while you're driving, or even the number of cruising miles remaining based on the fuel left in the tank at current MPG. Your Cadillac sales representative would be glad to demonstrate this for you on a test drive. Other DeVille engine choices are available, including the 4.1-liter V6, using advanced emission technology and a specially designed 4-speed overdrive transmission, or the 5.7-liter diesel V8. Ask your Cadillac sales representative for the 1981 EPA estimated miles per gallon for all of the DeVille models. Remember, use the estimate for comparisons. The mileage you get may differ. To best complement the Cadillac powertrain selections, all DeVilles are equipped with low rolling resistance, high pressure tires. These tires have lower rolling resistance than conventionally designed tires. The suspension has been tuned to these tires to help maintain the smooth DeVille riding qualities. The 1981 sedan and coupe DeVilles combine many impressive engineering features into a motor car that excels in daily driving. Yet it retains that stylish Cadillac appeal that so many others try to imitate. DeVille, efficient, comfortable, and pleasing to own. Drive one today.